If you're new to leading firewalks, don't be afraid of silence. In giving your participants time to do the exercises that you have in your schedule. I've seen on so many occasions instructors want to give so much in the workshop that leads up to the firewalk that they have given the exercise, then raced through it and moved on to the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. Allow the exercise to settle in. Allow the story you've shared to land. Allow the silence to be the space where your participants are creating the glue between what's happening in the room and what's going to happen in their world after the training, after the workshop, after the evening. Know that the silence is where the medicine happens, where the transformation happens. Just allow your nervous system to be okay with the silence. It's not a lack of offering. It's not a lack of material. It's the space where the transformation flourishes. And the same in real life. You know, if we can only do things because somebody is telling us to do it or cheering us alongside, that's not empowerment. Empowerment is when we can move forward in our personal power when everything is silent. So create that environment so people have an experience that is embodied that they can duplicate over and over again. Be okay with the silence.